What kind of car wash is it? Bro.
It's Tommy's Car Wash.
Bro, seriously? Learn how to use a roundabout. You yield to the person in the lane. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, woman.
It'll smother the cover. No, that's the hash brown.
Fucking idiot.
And they have like peanut butter.
What the? See that shit? Dude!
Are you fucking retarded? Oh my god.
I was listening to this while skating.
Oh yeah. No way.
Oh, what the?
Holy
Yo!
Jesus. In hell, man. Man. Damn!
Yeah.
swirl breads.
Yeah.
What else have I got?
I could.
Wheat thins.
Yeah.
What else have I got here? Healthy Choice frozen dinners.
Cookies and dinners. I still need those until I.
We found out.
In the streets or something, I'm like, okay, so that means like a year. But then But then, and then because California and again, and because the states and because we aren't really a United States anymore. It's like this size. It's all based on red and blue, and everyone's fluctuation of like kind of opening up, then.
I'm curious, because Chris said that he has like a limited amount of tickets that he can give out if it rains. So I don't know like what that's going to mean. Watch this guy.
Oh! Oh, damn!
Current loop video is now locked.
That's why you don't do that, you stupid butthead. I hope they're okay, man. That's why you don't cross over. Are you okay? Are you okay? All right, all right.
So you can go from home to a holiday home with no dramas.
The first house. Necromancer Divine, King of the Nine Renewals, our Resurrector, the Necrolord Prime. The Emperor, his lictors, and the Priesthood of Canaan House. The second house. The Emperor's Strength, House of the Crimson Shield, the Centurion's House. Judith Deuterus, heir to the House of the Second, ranked Captain. Using the...
Oh shit!
Bro, I got that on video. Oh, I gotta make an I gotta make this Uber Delivery Eats. Oh my god.